Hey Netflix fans! Netflix is diving into AI with Runway's video tools, shaking up content creation. Is this the future of streaming? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this AI-powered revolution. Bloomberg dropped a bombshell. Netflix is testing Runway AI's video tools for content production, joining Disney and exploring AI for filmmaking. From VFX to full scenes, this could change everything. Want the details? Keep watching. Netflix is experimenting with Run AI's video generation tools, although it's unclear if they're for entire scenes, VFX cost-cutting, or post-production tasks like editing. Unlike their AI use in the Eternaut, which co-CEO Ted Sarandos praised for being faster and cheaper than traditional VFX, Netflix hasn't used Runway for specific shows yet, but the potential is huge. Disney's also testing Runway's tools, and Amazon used them for House of David to generate scene frames. Netflix's move could streamline production, making shows faster and more affordable. With no official announcement yet, the streaming giant's clearly exploring how AI can enhance personalization, search, and maybe even interactive content on its platform. Runway AI could transform Netflix's workflow, cutting costs and speeding up production while keeping shows visually stunning. As competitors like Disney and Amazon lean into AI, this could spark a new era of filmmaking. But will AI-crafted scenes match human creativity? Could this redefine your Netflix binges? Netflix's Runway AI tests are underway with no official launch date yet. Stay tuned for how this shapes your favorite shows. What's your take on AI and content creation? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Netflix's Runway AI tools. Are you hyped for AI-powered shows or curious about VFX savings? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.